Well, 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 would you look at that? There's mud on the walls. There's no mud on the tires, but there's mud on the walls. We made great progress yesterday. We're getting this part done sooner because we have a deadline for the windows. So this other wall with the exposed brick might not get done until later. But yesterday we found a surprise. Ta-da! There's a window behind there. We should have figured that because this used to be an outside wall. So we'll be interested to see if there's a window on the other side of the chimney. But there is a window back there. And we'll be taking off the rest of the paneling and you'll be able to see it all. So yeah, a few surprises along the way. But he did get one layer of mud on the walls. So that's our progress for this Tuesday. Stay tuned and thank you so much for all your interest in Freedom Hill. Hey, it's Trisha here from Freedom Hill. I come to show you that the painting has started. Our family room project is fully underway. And last night, David got 3/4 of the room painted. This very pretty yellow. And in 2 days, we get our new windows. We're doing the wall that's up against the house last, so we still have paneling to deal with. And that we did take out the built-in. We found some interesting wiring and some burn marks on the built-in. So we're very thankful we decided to go ahead and take it out. And we will repurpose this space. Behind here is the chimney. And we found a window behind this wall. We're just enclosing that. There was no glass in it, just a window frame. But yeah, we have started the painting. This section is done. We have purchased the crown molding and the floor molding. And after Thompson Creek comes on Wednesday and installs our new windows, then we will install the molding and finish the final wall. I love this yellow paint because it has zero green inside it. Like sometimes other colors will come out with certain colors, especially a yellow, but this yellow has no green and it's just bright and sunny. And this is our sunroom. I call it the family room. It's also the sunroom. So yeah. Thank you for coming along on this journey. Stay tuned. There's more to come. Well, here we are. The latest update on the family room. The windows are installed and they're all wrong. The installers spent 16 hours at our house. They were here till 11:30 at night and they used the wrong size window casing. So now they have to come back and they have to remove all this outside trim. I don't mean window casing, I mean the trim. All this trim on these windows is the wrong size. It's also a mess. It's supposed to be white. You can tell some of it is not. So Thompson Creek is coming back to fix all this. And I'm not sure when. They haven't made that appointment yet. But we're moving forward with our remodel and then they'll come back and redo the windows. The windows themselves will not have to be uninstalled. They just have to remove this framing and install the right framing. In the meantime, my Canadian got lots of painting done. He even got started on the crown molding, you can see there, and some of the base trim. Now it's not trimmed out, it's not caulked or anything, but he is getting it done little by little. So go around the room here. We got all the rest of the paneling taken off and drywall put up. So that side of the room is now ready to be mudded, sanded, and painted as well. This section, this little cubby that had the built-in, we will be putting the boys' desktop computer here, and David will make some built-in shelves after it's all done and painted. So that's our progress to date. I like the way it looks. We love the windows. And even though it's like 95 degrees outside, these windows really are cold to the touch. They slide open, and I think they're going to be great. They'll look a lot better once they get the right trim, and once the trim is white and not all icky gray like that. So there's our update. Everything is still slightly discombobulated. We have our little family room area here where we watch TV, and just stuff kind of piled in the middle of the room while we work. Thanks for coming along on this trip on Freedom Hill. Bye for now. Stay tuned.